Let me take a look under here. Okay. This engine does not have a drain plug on the bottom of it. So what we're going to do is remove the oil fill cap and remove the oil. It was time for an oil change anyhow on this about 3 years ago. I took a cake pan out of the house. That always adds a little stress in the home for a little while, and then they forget about it, and then you're good to go. So go ahead and remove that.
Okay.
And I'm out of paper towels in here too. Okay, if you'll remove the screwdriver.
Yes.
Here's this. We're going to drain the oil. If you'll pick this up, put that in your hand. I'm going to tip it toward you.
Perfect.
That should be a honey color. If it's milky, that means there's water in the oil.
But it's black.
Okay, can you pull it toward me a little bit so that you don't hit the floor?
No, we're good.
Okay. I'm going to tip it more so those.
Yeah. How much oil does this hold?
21 ounces, I think it was.
Wow.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, if you'll pull that out. We'll set that aside. There's a couple of numbers, Michelle, that we need first, just in case you need to get parts. The first one is a set of numbers on the blower housing here. It'll be very hard to see it. It's stamped in here, but you can take white paint and put it across it and then wipe it off, and the white paint will be in the numbers, and you can see it that way. That is everything pertaining to the engine. If you need a spark plug, if you need a filter for the carburetor, get it off of that number when you go to your parts dealer.
Okay.
The other number is on the deck. And that's all of the parts pertaining to the deck. If a wheel fell off,
Right.
get that.
Right.
If it's the stop cable, you get it off of this number here.
Okay.